Hey guys, I'm in front of the Taj Mahal and I must say, this is outstanding.
These kinds of AI videos are trending all over the internet right now. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can generate these same using Google Veo3 completely free. Not just that, I will also show you how to write powerful professional prompts using ChatGPT to get cinematics results like this. So first you have to come to Google homepage. From there, you have to click over here. That is your Google app. In Google app, you have to go to Google Gemini. Once you will come to Google Gemini page, you can see there are no any option to generate the video because we have to upgrade it. So to upgrade Google Gemini, you have to click over here on the top right side, that is upgrade. So let's click over there. After that, you will come to this page. So here you will get the information that what are the benefits you will be getting after the upgrade. So you can check these details, but here you can see this is free for 1 month. So that is really nice. So to get the access, you have to click on get offer and you just have to follow the subscription process. Once you will complete the subscription, your Google Gemini Pro plan will be activated. So you just have to click over here, go to Gemini Pro. So again, you will be back on Google Gemini homepage, but here you can see over here that you are having the Pro plan. And if you'll go to the bottom, you can see that video option has been added. So if you'll click over there, you can see that generate with VEO3 option is there. So we will just write down the prompt and you can generate the video. Before starting with that, let me show you how exactly you can generate the amazing prompt, because prompt is everything in AI. So I will tell you that how exactly you can generate prompt with ChatGPT and use the same in Google Gemini for amazing results. Okay, so for that, let's go to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, I have written the simple command to generate the prompt with ChatGPT. So I have written that, so I want a prompt for this idea. A journalist woman wearing professional clothes, holding a mic, standing in a war zone with Hulk. Woman asking, did you build this body with a asteroid? Hulk replied, this is genetic babe, Captain America is taking a asteroid. Crowd laughing behind at the end. So this is what I am going to give ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Okay. After that, we will hit generate and ChatGPT will make this prompt more professional so that you will be getting good results with Google Gemini. Okay. So you just have to come over here and copy this prompt. And next, again go to Google Gemini and select video from here. As we are generating video from Google Gemini Veo3, then just paste the prompt over here. Okay, just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste over here, but at the end of every prompt you just have to write one thing, because it will give you only 8 seconds of video, and sometime if your dialogue is really big, then it will cut the clips. Okay, the dialogue will not be full in the video. So at the end, you just have to write this: voice tone fast, complete all dialogues in 8 seconds. Now if you'll generate the video, it's not going to cut the dialogues in the video. So better you write these at the last. Okay, so this is how you generate the professional prompt from ChatGPT and you can generate the video in Google Gemini. So after completing this process, you just have to come over here and click on submit option, and you just have to wait for some time, because it will take around 1 or 2 or sometimes 3 to 4 minutes to generate the video.
Did you build this body with steroids?
This is genetics, babe. Captain America is taking steroids.
And this was the result. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want AI videos tutorial like this. And yes, all the prompts I used are in the description. See you in the next one.
My best friend will say hi to you all in 3 seconds.